Welcome to another session on TATVA CNC Program Hub. So the objective of today's session is to see how much time really it takes to make a program using this application. Let us first have a look at a drawing. There is an outer rectangle with 100 by 80 mm size, corner rounded with radius 10. Inside that, there is a hexagon with 50 mm across flat on top side. Inside that, there is a 15 mm bore with 5 mm depth. And there is another PCD holes, they are 5 mm, 6 holes, 10 mm deep, 135 PCD. Let us see how much time it takes. I will start the timer so that we can really monitor how long it takes. First we'll do a facing. The size is 100 by 80. We'll use a 40 mm cutter. The raw material and tool material is already there. I want to use suggest speed and feed. So it is defining some parameters. I am accepting it. Apply. And program number I want to keep 1001. Generate. Simulation. Simulation looks good. I want to save this program. It is saved. Next one, I want to make a rectangle. Size is 100 by 80. I want to do 5 mm depth, 1 mm per pass. And then I want to make it outside. And I want to give the corner radius. So corner style is already radius. I want to make it 10 mm. Program number I want to make it 1002. Generate program. Simulation. Play. I can also see isometric. Looks good. This program number is 1002. I want to save this. Save. Now I want to make a hexagon. The size is cross flat 50 mm. I want to make it only 2 mm. 2 mm per pass. I want to keep it outside. Now this is point top. I want to make it flat top. Tool diameter, I'll use 40 mm. Here again I want to use suggestion. Apply. Then another thing what I want to do is I want to make an entry profile extension of say 50 mm because my cutter diameter is 40 mm, so I want to make it slightly bigger. Exit can be smaller. I am using 10 mm. Then I also want to keep the lead in lead out slightly more than the radius of the cutter. Program number I want to keep 1003. Generate. Simulation. Looks good. I want to save this. Next one, what I want to do is a circle. Diameter is 15 mm. and then 5 mm depth. I want to do 1 mm, 1 mm. Program number I want to keep 2004. Generate simulation. Yeah, looks good. I want to save this. Next, I want to do a PCD drilling, PCD hole drilling, cycles, drilling. I'll use G81, PCD holes, depth 10 mm, pitch circle diameter is 35, 6 holes, 1005. Tool diameter is 5 mm. Want to use suggestion, apply, generate simulation. Okay. Looks good. Save program. So now all programs are already generated. I want to combine all of them. Combine programs. First is spacing, second is rectangle, third is hexagon, and fourth is circle, fifth is cycles. I'll combine. Now the combined program is already ready. We'll have a look at the program. So here you can see the original program is V1.2. It is created now. It has open it and see. So here is the program, merge the main program. The first program number is taken as main program number. The first process is pacing operation. Tool diameter is 40. Then after that operation there is an M01, then rectangle profile 5 mm. Then next is hexagon profile, next circle profile, then the drilling cycle, finally M30. So you can see that now the program is ready. Now another thing which I wanted to show you is, now whatever parameters are saved, so I want to load one from that. I want to load hexagon of one. It is already loaded. I want to generate the program and just making a learning document, and it will get opened automatically. Now this is the document for the learning, the TATVA CNC Program Hub Learning Guide. So for that profile, whatever parameter we have entered in the application, so everything is getting listed here across flat dimension, and all other details you will find it here. Very important thing for learner is the profile shape. So whatever profile is selected with numbered coordinates, and those coordinates are listed here, and it is already showing you how those calculations are done. So for anybody who is learning, it gives you a complete picture why cutter compensation is used, how the parameters are calculated, and each line of the program. So it gives you a complete overview. So here the programming is already done, a learning document is generated, everything is done. Now you can see that the timing take only 10 minutes. So I think you had a good experience in looking at this, and this application do not require any skill. If you are a CNC operator or a shop supervisor, you can generate the program without having any CAM experience. Happy machine.